Hey there, savvy savers and financial markets enthusiasts. Welcome to your go-to guide on navigating the bustling bazaar of the financial markets. Today, we're breaking down not one, not two, but three different types of orders. Let's go over our disclaimer. You are responsible for your own investments. Everything you see here is for educational purposes only. There are no financial advisors of any kind in our content. And now, first up, we have the market order. This is like hitting the Buy Now button on your favorite online store. You see it, you want it, you got it, immediately at whatever price it's going at. It's perfect for those who hate waiting and love action. But remember, it's a bit like ordering a mystery box. You might get a bargain, or you might pay a premium, if the market's jumping around like a kangaroo on a trampoline. Next, we're talking about limit orders. Imagine you're at an auction with a secret maximum bid. You whisper to the broker, "Hey, don't go a penny over this price," and they nod sagely. That's a limit order. You'll get your asset only if the price is right, making you feel like a budgeting wizard. But beware, sometimes the market doesn't play ball and you might miss out, like being left on read in your latest crush's DMs. If you get value from what you see here, hit the like button. We really appreciate it, and subscribe to become a part of the journey. And then there's the OCO order, short for one cancels the other. Picture this. You're trying to sell your old comic book collection. You set a price to sell if someone offers big bucks, but also a fallback price just in case. Once one deal goes through, the other option vanishes. Poof! Like your commitment to last year's New Year's resolution. It's the set it and forget it of orders. So how do you choose? Market orders are like buying concert tickets from a scalper as the show starts. Quick, but potentially pricey. Limit orders are more like coupon shopping. Only buying if the price is just right. And OCO orders, they're like having a backup plan when you can't decide if you should go to the beach or the movies. And you just set conditions for both. These are the most important orders you will have to deal with. Whether you're a market maverick, a limit luminary, or an OCO strategist, you've got the tools to trade with confidence. Dive in, have fun, and remember, the market's not just a game for the suits on Wall Street. It's for everyone, including you. Question of the day, is there another kind of order you would like to have explained? Don't hesitate to put it in the comments below. Like this explainer, smash that like button, subscribe for more down-to-earth finance tips, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on becoming a market whiz. Until next time, keep your investments smart and your popcorn popping.